Advanced sales forecasting in Oracle Sales Planning lets you view and act on evolving forecast trends, target your sales plan and what if scenarios, and create collaborative detailed sales revenue models. As the administrator, you'll need to complete each of these steps to set up advanced sales forecasting. I'll start by creating a planning application. First, I'll enter the application name and description and select Sales Planning as the application type. Then, I'll choose a start and end year for loading actuals and set the weekly distribution to 4-4-5. I'll accept the default setting for the remaining options. After reviewing my selections, I'll create the application. Once the application is successfully created, I'll configure my application to enable the features I want to use. If you're using both advanced sales forecasting and quota planning, enable and configure quota planning before advanced sales forecasting. In this example, I'll just enable advanced sales forecasting. Based on these selections, dimensions, drivers, forms, dashboards, and other artifacts are created. I can plan by territory or resource. The lowest level in each hierarchy represents a sales rep. With territory, I can integrate with Oracle CX Sales Territory Management. And with resource, I can link to Oracle CX Sales Incentive Compensation Management. Note that if you are using both quota planning and advanced sales forecasting, the planning basis is selected automatically based on how quota planning is configured. I can also include dimensions for customer accounts, product, and geography. These dimensions can be specific to advanced sales forecasting and don't have to match the selections in quota planning. Under planning time granularity, I can choose to plan on a weekly or monthly basis. With weekly planning, the week to month mapping can be configured independently from the selection made during the application setup. The week to month conversion allows users to forecast on a weekly basis while maintaining the flexibility to generate monthly reports with ease. Additionally, I can enable rolling forecasts, which create a rolling forecast scenario for continuous forecasting over a rolling range of time periods. Enable predictive planning to retrieve historical data and analyze it using time series forecasting techniques. This will help predict future performance within the territories. Users can copy these predictions into forecast and what-if scenarios. If quota planning is also in use, enable integrations to incorporate target quotas into advanced sales forecasting. Selecting this feature creates a data map between quota planning and advanced sales forecasting, allowing seamless integration of quota targets into the forecast scenario. Finally, if additional dimensions are required, I can set them up or rename existing ones. I'll review my selections and enable the features for my application. After advanced sales forecasting is enabled, I'll sign out and sign back in to my application. Notice that advanced sales forecasting has been added to the home page. Before I can use the predefined forms and dashboards for advanced forecasting, I'll need to configure time periods, import dimension members, load historical data, set user variable values, and prepare forecast data. Once these steps are complete, I'll be ready to start forecasting with the available tools. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.